If you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Yes, I'm in a completely different room in my house. I'm in my kitchen, obviously, but today I'm going to show you guys a new and different kind of video that I have prepared. It's going to be all of my favorite meals and snacks that are healthy and easy to make during the week, or you can meal prep them before the week starts, which is what I like to do because it's simple and I have my 9 to 5 and I'm too tired to make it during the week. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you all the steps. I'll do the voiceover so I'm not talking too much in the video and it's simple for you guys to follow along. I will also have the locations of where I got each food and each meal, whatever, so you guys know where you can go and try them and purchase them. So if you guys like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to comment with any questions or subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be making are my favorite acai bowls. I buy these from Trader Joe's, but I know you can get them from other supermarkets as well. They're so easy and fun to make, and all you have to do is add your favorite ingredients into them or on top at the end. But I go ahead and make these for breakfast or after a good workout to go ahead and fuel my body back up. I rinse it under water for about 5 seconds and no more. This just helps it break down easier when it goes into the blender. One of the ingredients I like to add is my favorite protein powder. It is a vanilla flavor one because that's my favorite, and I go ahead and add it into the blender in just 1 scoop. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add some water into the blender and then some blueberries to add some more flavor into it. These are just some of the ingredients I chose to add into this smoothie, but you can go ahead and add other fruits into it, some almond milk, just to add some more variation. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some granola at the bottom of my bowl before adding the smoothie into the bowl. Like I said earlier, I'm going to go ahead and cut up some more fruits to add on top of the bowl. I'm going to go ahead and cut up some strawberries and then also add some blueberries and then top it off with some granola. Next, I'm going to go ahead and make some sweet potato fries, and yes, these are my favorite to make. I'm going to go ahead and preheat the oven to 450 before seasoning them, so this gets it right in time. Yes, I did also buy the pre-cut ones because this helps me save a lot of time. Next, I went ahead and used cannoli oil. This helps the fries not stick to the pan while in the oven. To season the fries, all I used was salt and pepper. Next, I'm going to show you guys how I make my chicken. This is one of my favorite meals to make for work. It's always important to go ahead and wash your chicken before cooking it. I don't know what it's touched, where it's been, so that's just something I always do. Also, side note, before seasoning my chicken, I went ahead and cleaned the chicken even more, cut off pieces that I thought looked a little weird, and so forth. My all-time favorite chicken seasoning is the Montreal chicken. This is literally the holy grail. I go ahead and use it on each side of the chicken, and then next I go ahead and use some garlic salt. Both of these products I bought from Safeway, and you can get them honestly from any grocery store, I believe. To prep the pan, I used some coconut and avocado cooking oil. This works best, honestly, for anything that I used with the pan. Side note, I don't season the other side of the chicken until I place it in the pan and let that side cook, and then I go ahead and season the other side. I usually let one side sit for about 5 minutes before flipping. I like to get this golden brown look on the chicken. This lets me know that it's ready to flip. I don't know about you guys, but meal prepping has literally saved my life and also my time. I cook this meal on Sundays and it helps me prep and have enough time during the week to do other things that are also important. Alright guys, so it looks like the chicken is complete and it's time to take it off the pan and let it cool down. I know I showed you guys how to make some sweet potato fries, but now I'm going to show you how I make my roasted potatoes. I went ahead and preheated the oven to about 425 and now I'm going to get started. So these are the mini golden potatoes that I love, and like I said, you can get them from any store, and I go ahead and rinse them with water just to clean them off. As you guys see, I like to cut them in quarters right down the middle and then cut them once again on the other side. This cuts them into 4 perfect bite sizes, which I love. Once again, I went ahead and used some coconut and avocado cooking oil just to add onto the pan so the potatoes don't stick while in the oven. I added some black pepper, some salt, and lastly some onion powder. Usually I use some garlic powder, but I actually ran out, so I went ahead and used this. So these take a bit longer and I left them in for about 50 minutes. I like to get them nice and crispy but also soft on the inside. Last but not least, I love adding a vegetable to this meal. I go ahead and prepare some broccoletti, and these are my favorite. I switch between zucchini or mushrooms, but at the moment these are my faves. After rinsing them with water, I just go ahead and cut the ends off just to get them as fresh as possible. I don't know if this makes any sense, but I like to cook them first a little bit before adding the seasoning. I feel like they are a little bit more receptive to taking it in after they're a little bit cooked. So I went ahead and used some onion powder, black pepper, and salt again. I would say I cooked them for about 15 minutes and ta-da, they're done. Woohoo! Finally, the potatoes are done and ready to come out of the oven. Last thing I add is some parsley. This gives it a little bit of a fresher taste. And that's it. I went ahead and put them into separate containers, and this is how I meal prep, guys. Alright guys, so I hope you found this video helpful, easy to follow along, maybe tasty, I don't know, but this is what I like to make. These are my favorite simple recipes, meals that I like to do. Also, you guys can modify them as much as you want or as little as you want. This is just personally what I like, and don't hold me accountable. I am not a chef, so this is just how I make my food. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If so, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to comment questions. Like I said, ask me anything, I will get to them. And also, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you next time.